हाय एंड वेलकम टू CHTS रेडियो दिल से। मैं हूं आरजे रिश्मा। आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं एक बहुत ही खास मेहमान जिनका नाम है रिहान। कैलगरी एल्बर्टा के रहने वाले रिहान ने अपनी म्यूजिकल जर्नी शुरू की है विदाउट एनी फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग के, और अपने आप को एक बेहतरीन सिंगर के रूप में इन्होंने स्थापित किया है। मात्र 14 इयर्स की उम्र के में ही इन्होंने अपना संगीत के सफर की शुरुआत की, और तब से लेके अब तक इन्होंने अपनी इस पैशन को बरकरार रखा है। रिहान के इस सफर में उनका साथ दे रही हैं उनकी मदर, जिनके साथ मिलकर पिछले 7 सालों में कनाडा में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स में इन्होंने अपनी आवाज का जादू बिखेरा है। इनका संगीत के प्रति जो समर्पण है, जो लगन है, जो पैशन है, वही इनकी असली पहचान है। और अभी हाल में ही रिहान ने अपना पहला सिंगल रिलीज किया है जिसका नाम है नकाब, और ये लिसनर्स में बहुत ज्यादा लाइक किया जा रहा है। एंड इट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन मेनी स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के हम स्वागत करते हैं रिहान जी का और सुनते हैं इनकी कहानी इन्हीं की जुबानी। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू रिहान जी। रिहान जी, आपका स्वागत है रेडियो दिल से पर।
थैंक यू सो मच। कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, और आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ।
So, are you really happy that your song is doing so well?
I'm very happy. I am so happy कि आपके प्लेटफॉर्म में भी इसको जितना सपोर्ट मिला है, मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था। मेरा पहला सॉन्ग था ये, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अभी।
नहीं, हम सब ने भी इस सॉन्ग को बहुत लाइक किया है। इवन आई हैव बीन लिसनिंग टू दिस सॉन्ग एंड so I would like to ask you that how and what inspired you to come into singing, to take singing as a career?
मुझे एक्चुअली पता नहीं था कि मैं बोल सकता हूँ, मैं गाने बोल सकता हूँ, लेकिन एक इवेंट था जिधर सब टेबल्स को बोला जा रहा था कि आप लोग गाना गाओ, और जिसने भी अच्छा गाना गाया वो जाएगा खाना लेने के लिए पहले। तो जब हमारा टेबल आया तो सब 5 माइक से सिर्फ 1 माइक बचा था।
Okay.
तो मैंने उसमें बोला और सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो वो मेरे लिए स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट हो गया। फिर मैं थोड़े शोज किए, अप्रिसिएशन मिला, तो मैंने कंटिन्यू किया ये।
Okay, so you were 14 years when you
I was 14 years at that time.
So like, were you scared, were you nervous when you sang, or
No, one thing has been I've never had stage fright. जब मैं बहुत छोटा था तो मैं डांस करता था स्टेज पर बेफिक्र।
That's good.
और आई थिंक ये मेरे अंदर था, तो जब मैंने सिंगिंग स्टार्ट किया तो इट वाज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम।
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Actually, my mom always wanted to sing.
Okay.
And one thing was she had stage fright. So जब मैंने start किया था, she joined me because she finally said, okay, my son is doing this, so I will also join in with him, and it helped her get rid of her stage fright as well.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Because she was able to satisfy her passion also, like
Absolutely. She wanted to do it when she was very young, but she never really got a chance.
Yes,
So,
sometimes
yeah.
that happens. But
Yes.
how is it like working with your mom? Does she scold you, और गुस्सा करती हैं या कहती हैं कि ठीक नहीं गा रहे हो रिहान, ठीक करो?
पहले बहुत होता था। पहले ये बहुत होता था। जब मैं हाई नोट्स नहीं मारता था, वो बोलती थी यहाँ पर ये करो, यहाँ पर ये करो। फिर मैं बोलता था तो आप ही मेरे साथ बोल लो क्या आप? क्योंकि मैं देखता था कि my mom really was into singing. She knew what sounds good, what doesn't sound good. जब अब बड़े हो रहे हो तो वो डांट थोड़ी कम हो रही है, लेकिन but we are also getting much better recently, right? So it's amazing though, because जब ये घर पे ही है तो it's easier to practice, it's easier to and we have a camaraderie, right, with each other, because she's my mother, I'm her son, so it's very easy, बहुत आसान है। हम एक दूसरे को बता सकते हैं कि यहाँ ऐसे करो, यहाँ वैसे करो, without any hesitation.
Yes, but that वो motherly चीज अब थोड़ी कम हो रही है, and you are working together as a team now,
Yes,
right?
exactly, yeah.
Because Yeah. So वो मदर से एक डर भी लगता है, मदर के साथ you can open up also, so a lot of things.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So this song Naqab is doing so well. So can you share its journey with us? Like, how did you compose this song? How did you come up with the lyrics? And what is the story behind it?
So it's based on a life experience. It, it's actually for one of the songs that I've written that it was the fastest song I ever wrote.
Okay.
दिल टूटा था तो इस दर्द में मैंने लिख दिया ये सॉन्ग और मेलोडी आ गए एक दिमाग में तो it actually started very बीस बीस में स्टार्ट हुआ था और in a couple weeks it all came together or then I started the process of making sure the lyrics were perfect. इसके lyrics मैंने बहुत cancel किए हैं, बहुत सारे को modify किए हैं और उसके बाद फिर मैंने म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर के साथ बात की कि I want this song to have this sad feeling to it because and it was such an important song to me for reasons I wouldn't want to share. So I wanted to make sure this was a very big debut for myself.
Yes.
Yes.
It is really very heart-touching song.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we love it. And Rehan, as a young and new singer, what are the challenges that you have been confronted with all the time, like releasing your song or composing it? So, what do you think is the biggest challenge as a composer, as a writer, as a singer?
I think for years actually the biggest problem that I've had is finding a good music producer because मुझे instrumentals का बहुत knowledge नहीं है. So I've been writing songs since I was probably 15, 16. But just to actually get those out, I didn't know first of all, I didn't know the process. And then when I started figuring out the process, it was like, either I need to find a music producer, but even if you try to find a music producer, they were very expensive. So getting started on that journey was very tough. But so I could afford it more. So that's why in Naqab it took my first song took so long. Like I've released it at the age of 25 when I started writing almost 8 years ago, right?
Oh wow, that's
yeah. And also for singing, like record the recording process. Still learning. It's only been one song, so inshallah, I want this. I want to continue learning the recording processes so that the future songs are even better and better.
Yes. But this one, you have done an amazing job.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I've seen the video also. It's very nice. It's very nice.
Thank you.
And so what is your is any memory that is related with singing, but your childhood memory? Like, were you singing because you didn't get any formal training, right? So this was a sudden leap. It was not a planned journey. So how how did you go about it?
Yeah. So originally I'm from Tanzania. So but we have a large Indian culture over there in Tanzania. So I'd be watching a lot of Indian movies. So from that, you get those songs and you listen to it all the time. And my whole family is very indulged into Indian music. Like I told you, my mom has been wanting to sing for a very long time. So I think that became a part of me. And then I'm not sure how, but even when I was a child, my mom used to tell me that even if you're in the shower, even if you're in front of people, you just started singing. So one memory was that I was in the mosque, and my mom was trying to make me keep quiet because I kept singing "Pia Pia oh Pia Pia."
Oh wow!
Yeah, and I must have been 5 or 6 at the time. But I just loved that song. So even when someone would be saying saying a prayer, I'd be like, oh, they're saying "Pia Pia oh Pia Pia."
I know that is very like addicting lyrics.
Oh, very very.
Yeah.
Especially for a child, I would think, because it's very catchy for a child. Pia pia
Yes.
pia pia, right?
Yes. So
Yeah.
I think what I gathered is that this is your favorite song as a child.
As a child, yes, I did like this
But
song very
now
much.
what is your which is your favorite
Um,
song?
so I mean, initially, of course, my favorite song was "Tum Hi Ho" by Arijit Singh, because a
Oh yeah, that is
masterpiece
a
of a
great
song,
song.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wherever I go for any events, it's a song that always gets requested, and I personally do feel I do sing that really well. So yes, it has been my long term. It has been my favorite, but apart from that, I really like "Tera Yaar Hu Main."
So I'm also going to request you to please sing two lines for us.
Oh, for sure, absolutely. हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, वो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
Very nice, very
Thank
nice,
you. Thank you
amazing.
so
Yeah, you
much.
have a great voice.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah, and what important advice did you get as a singer? Maybe somebody gave you, maybe your mom gave you, but like, what has been the most important advice?
Um, I think if I'm talking about the whole journey, it's I think focus on your art. Don't
Mhm.
focus on the outside noise,
Yeah.
right? Because I think when you're growing up, there's a lot of outside noise from people, and it's
Yes.
just better to focus on what you're good at instead
Yes.
of thinking about other things.
Other things.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what other hobbies and passions you have other than music?
Uh, Music is such a big passion, honestly. Apart from that, I'd say maybe watching movies. In Hindi movies, I really enjoy. Even English movies, I really enjoy.
Mhm.
Um, uh, yeah, I think that would be one of them. I think watching sports. I'm a big sports fan.
Yeah.
Since I've grown up, I first started watching soccer, football, and then I got into cricket when I was a child in Tanzania. So I used to play a lot of cricket.
Mhm.
Um, and then when I came to when I moved to Alberta, I've become a big hockey fan.
Mhm.
Um, and I'm an Oilers fan. I'm from Calgary, but I'm an Oilers fan.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Yeah.
but the hockey's become a big thing for me as well. So I enjoy going to hockey games. I even Oilers made it to the final, so I traveled to Florida to watch one of the games.
Yeah.
So that's a big passion of mine. I think I'm very engrossed into the whole entertainment industry, whether that's movies, sports, singing. It's
Mhm.
always been something that's part of me. Like I told you, even when I was young, I used to dance.
Yeah.
So it's always been a part of me. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what you know, what I know, Bollywood music is loved all over the world, and Bollywood movies are very famous. And
Mhm.
we have grown up with listening to these songs from the
Yes.
70s, from the 80s, and you, as you say, even you have done that, right?
Mhm.
So, if given a like when if like कहीं पे भी आपको चांस मिलता है किसी सिंगर के साथ परफॉर्म करने का तो
Yeah.
who would you like to work with?
Um, Definitely Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh. Oh, you are
Yeah.
a big Arijit fan.
Oh, I'm very, very big Arijit fan. I think, I think for a very long time I've just been singing his songs. जब पहले start किया था तो मैं I'll go to my mom's room and I tell her, Mom, can I sing a song for you? And the only two songs for about 2 years that I would sing to her were तुम ही हो और मुस्कुराने की
Oh,
वजह. So he's been an icon for me for such a long time since
yeah.
his song came out from Murder to Fir Mohabbat.
Yes.
Um, I really liked his songs.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I would probably say Arijit Singh. Yeah.
So you have done many live shows.
Yes.
Many you have sung at many events in
Yes.
Canada, right? And what has been your memorable experience? Like something, some good experience, some you know.
Honestly, I don't think we've ever had a bad experience. with singing in events. The crowd is always very appreciative towards us. Good experiences. I think we keep making good experiences. Every time we go, we see new faces of people who appreciate our music, who appreciate our voice, right? So yeah, the good experiences is just, we want to keep meeting new faces. We want to keep entertaining people. As long as they're having a good time, we can always see it on their faces if they're having a good time.
Yeah.
And until now, Shukr, we have always felt the love and support of our crowd.
And may God keep on giving you this love and support. Our listeners would love to hear two lines of Naqab.
Oh, definitely. खो गया मासूम सी वो आंखों में तेरी, गहराइयों में जिनके ते हसीन ख्वाब।
जो है संगीत, वो दिल से निकलता है और दिल तक पहुंचता है. We all agree, and we know you know that we don't want to end this conversation. I would like this conversation to go on and on, but you know, we are always clock is ticking, and you know, and so हमें आपसे विदा लेनी पड़ेगी अब, और इसी नोट पर
मैं सिर्फ जाने से पहले सिर्फ वो कोरस का लाइन बोल दूं.
हाँ, sure.
तुझको प्यार करने की ये सजा है, अब भुलाने की दुआ है, झूठ की राह पे जो तू चला है. हाँ, तुझको प्यार करने की ये सजा है, अब भुलाने की दुआ है, झूठ की राह पे जो तू चला है. हाँ. Thank you.
इसी नोट पर रिहान जी हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं, और विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट इन योर फ्यूचर एंडेवर्स.
Thank you very much.
आप इसी तरह से अपनी आवाज के जादू के साथ सारे दर्शकों को, लिसनर्स को मोहित करते रहे. एंड यही हमारी आपके लिए दुआ है, और थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you very much. It was very nice talking to you, Rishma.
It was very nice talking to you as well.